Metal tool stand. If you have a shop, you probably have a heavy piece of equipment perched on one of these things. They're those sheet metal construction stands that are wider at the base than they are at the top where the tool sits. They're stable owing to that geometry, and they're relatively inexpensive. The thing is, they take up a lot of floor space, and that volume between the floor and where the tool sits is often not used for anything. If you're lucky, there's a shelf in there. The one I have on my bandsaw didn't even have that. I wanted to remedy it because space is a premium in my tiny shop, and I need a place to store my bandsaw blades, and thought that would be a great option. I could just use plywood and wall it off and call it a day, but I thought I'd make a bit more elegant solution, and I opted to use this sheet aluminum that I have. It's 1/16 inch thick, and I laminated some of that to 1/4 inch plywood like this using Super 77 adhesive, and then measured the various dimensions, cut out my pieces, and utilized the existing bolt holes and bolts for the stand itself, so I didn't have to drill anything new in the existing stand. I then came up with a hinged door for the front that latches via high-strength magnets, and put it all together in short order. Have a look and see what you think.